Officer Johnny Yang knows the risks of heading into the unknown. A suspect might just be hiding to avoid capture, or he's setting up an ambush.
It's definitely a safer option. You're not putting actual officers in that type of danger.
It's really nice because it eliminates us from having to go into a place that we don't know who's in there or what's in there and put into a building or facility and check it out before we go in. It's a huge asset for us to have that at our department.
Good recovery. This indoor unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, is the Maplewood Police Department's newest tool. It complements the department's outdoor UAVs to more safely follow and apprehend suspects.
Vehicles moving.
So we're doing some exterior drone work, so we're working on tracking vehicles, tracking people, tracking objects, making them work together with multiple drones in the air to really stress communication and teamwork.
Okay, we are on the Hazelwood side.
Maplewood has been using UAVs for more than a year and deploys them about 10 times per month.
Swing out right, so then you're going to be behind the vehicle.
They're helpful in more safely tracking and arresting suspects wanted for a range of violent crimes.
It helps mitigate pursuits, helps prevent flight into apartment buildings and other things where other people are around, so we can really use the drones to gain knowledge and then formulate a safe plan where everything goes off without a hitch, hopefully.
The UAVs are also used to finding missing people. They allow officers to cover a large area quickly.
Dispatch and drone team, update from the caller.
With thermal imaging, they are highly effective.
I'm going to go down and try to get a peek a little bit as much as I can under the pavilion.
This exercise is just part of the rigorous training officers on the UAV team go through.
Oh, oops. He slammed the door on the drone.
Before getting to this stage, each pilot must obtain an FAA license.
It is just unreal, the technology and what it's able to do, but extremely valuable when you can get eyes on and follow them.
These are just some of the many ways to ensure Maplewood Police's drone program is professionally operated.
We still have to risk our lives, but we can mitigate that risk drastically because of the drone.